This is Gary, the Barn Shop, Atlanta, Georgia, back for the third and hopefully final episode of the door knob and deadbolt application to a new door. I've got the template temporarily screwed in. Now all I gotta do is route this out so that the bolt, well, wherever that is, fits in smoothly. Do that right now, I believe. That's all there is to it. Take this off real quick. You can see the end leg. And there it is. It's a little off center, but I had to because my doors are, well, it's a long story. So it's ready to go. Bolt should fit in pretty good. Ah, smooth. Nice. Now I'm just gonna put the doorknob in, screw that in, and we're good to go. Well, as you can see, I've got it all done. The lever's on. Everything's done. Open, close. Open, close. This came out really nice and smooth. Well, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll have a joke the next time. I promise.